In today's video, we are headed to the Oogie Boogie Bash at Disney California Adventure. We will give you an overview of everything this special ticketed event has to offer, and also tips for making the most of your 5 hours of the party. But before I head out, I need to get ready because this is one of the few times each year that adults are not only allowed but encouraged to dress up. So let me get suited up and then we'll head out. I've got my costume already now, so I think it's time to assemble. I'm ready. Here we go. Alright, we are inside California Adventure getting ready for the Oogie Boogie Bash. It will start in just a little bit. We just had dinner, which was actually very nice, from Smoke Jumper's Grill. We had the Monte Cristo sandwich and the mac and cheese brisket. So, very good. And yeah, in just a few minutes, the official party will begin. There are a variety of offerings at the Oogie Boogie Bash, and certainly not enough time to do everything. So you'll want to make sure you're doing the things that you and your family and friends are most excited about. One of the most popular offerings is the treat trails. There are 10 treat trails in total where guests of all ages can go trick-or-treating, and 8 of the trails are hosted by various Disney villains. On the Evil Queen's treat trail, they were giving away both applesauce and apple slices, but they promised they were safe to eat.
Or you can make a friend, whichever you wish. Yes. Good evening.
Why are we not bowing? Yes, there we are.
Nisa, sit.
There's usually 5 to 6 treat stops on each trail, and usually they give you several pieces of candy per stop, or one large item like chips, sliced apples, or Rice Krispie treats. Well, of course you could just go and buy a bunch of candy for yourself and not spend all the money to come trick-or-treating at a Disney park. There is truly something magical about trick-or-treating at a Disney park as an adult. It makes you feel like a kid again, doing something you probably haven't done since you were a child. And of course, the little ones love it too. Pro tip, these trails are very busy at the start of the night. While the lines do move fast, if any of them look extra long, just wait until the last 2 hours or so of the night and the lines will be a lot shorter or no line at all.
This year with your costumes. Keyword try.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Are you waving to him?
Now, who wants to be on the Oogie Boogie?
This year they had several new villains, including Cruella,
Darling, why don't you try some pockets? Come on up. There we go. Look at that confidence.
I like your outfits there.
Thank you.
This one's nice. This one, what are you supposed to be?
He's Ant-Man.
Ant-Man.
Yeah.
What's an Ant-Man do?
Gets really small.
Oh, really small.
Yes.
Oh, you're just like my friend Alice.
Yes. Yes. Another new villain was Agatha Harkness from WandaVision. How are you doing? Have you seen Sparky? Oh no! And this year they had also added Sid from Toy Story.
I say, welcome to the Sid Show Circus! Woo! You're supposed to clap. Sid Show Circus. Yes, you with the horns. I've been watching you since you were back there. You have not caught one. I borrowed this. I think that's great. Is that what you said? Yes.
Here's an idea of how much candy I got myself. Throughout the night they have a number of characters out, both rare Disney characters and classic characters in Halloween costumes. While we didn't wait in the long lines for the classic characters like Minnie and Mickey Mouse, we did get several pictures with characters and each of these lines were under 5 minutes. Also, all the photos that the PhotoPass photographers take during the party are free to download, so make sure to make use of that benefit. Villains Grove is also a highlight of the party. While you won't find any characters or candy on this spooky trail, you will find a number of special effects and lighting that bring together highlights of Disney villains. We waited about 25 minutes for this experience and the walkthrough itself was about 10 to 12 minutes. I would recommend planning to do this during the first parade of the night, because the line did get longer the later the night went. While all these festivities are going on, the park attractions are still open. For us, that meant we were able to walk right onto Guardians of the Galaxy, Monsters After Dark. We also walked right onto Luigi's Honkin' Halloween and The Little Mermaid. We could have hit up plenty of other attractions with short wait times, but we wanted to focus our time on the unique party events. But if you are just into attractions, this is a great time to hit a bunch of attractions with very short waits. We also enjoyed the Frightfully Fun Parade. This is a very fun parade featuring a large number of Disney villains with a short pre-show with the Headless Horseman. I would recommend seeing the second parade, as we were able to get great spots right where the parade steps off 10 to 15 minutes before it began.
surgical squad.
Step up to my table, put your mind at ease.
You go right ahead.
If you relax, it will enable me to do.
Overall, we had a wonderful time. Disney does an excellent job putting this party together, and it was a lot of fun. In the comments below, if you've been to the party, I'd love to hear what you have enjoyed, or if you are planning to attend the party in the future, what you think you would enjoy, whether it's the treat trails, the attractions, special characters, or any of the other offerings. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. And as always, consider subscribing to the channel because my hope is always to make your next Disney adventure a little bit more magical. Thanks for watching.